IAM Access Analyzer generates comprehensive findings that identify resources that can be accessed from outside an AWS account. It evaluates resource policies using mathematical logic and inference to determine the possible access paths allowed by the policies. IAM Access Analyzer continuously monitors for new or updated policies, and it analyzes permissions granted using policies for your Amazon S3 buckets, AWS KMS keys, Amazon SQS queues, AWS IAM roles, and AWS Lambda functions. IAM provides you service last access data, which is a timestamp on when an IAM policy or entity, such as a user or role, last used a service. From the AWS organization's master account, you can also see the service last accessed by the organization root, organizational units, and accounts. Here are the key benefits. Saves time analyzing resource policies for public or cross-account accessibility. Compared to heuristics or pattern matching techniques that could take days or weeks, IAM Access Analyzer can quickly analyze thousands of resource policies in seconds, thus saving time. It delivers detailed findings through the AWS IAM, Amazon S3, and AWS Security Hub consoles, and also through its APIs. Continuously monitors and helps you refine permissions. IAM Access Analyzer continuously monitors and analyzes any new or updated resource policy to help you understand the potential security implications. In addition, with the service last access timestamp data, you can easily identify and remove unused permissions to improve your security posture by granting only the permissions required to perform a specific task. Provides the highest levels of security assurance. IAM Access Analyzer uses automated reasoning to comprehensively summarize which resources grant public or cross-account access. We call these analytical results provable security, a higher level of assurance for security of the cloud and in the cloud. This is how it works. First, create an IAM Access Analyzer for your account. The analyzer will continuously scan supported resource policies within the account. Then, review the detailed findings for resources that are accessible from outside the AWS account. Next, take action. If access to the resource is not intended, modify the resource policy to further restrict access. If the access to the resource is intended, then you can archive the finding.